Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I decided that I wanted to do a DIY. I wanted to show you how I made these little terrarium Christmas ornaments that you've seen on my tree. They're actually pretty easy to make. All you need is some glass terrarium. I actually got a 3-pack of these on Amazon. And what's nice is they came in different shapes. So we have this like teardrop shape. And you also get a globe shape. Then you get a broken one, but this is supposed to be an onion shape. There is a big piece missing out of that. We're not going to be using that one. Another thing you're going to need for this is I got this buffalo snow. This was actually in the Christmas Village section at Walmart. Then I just went to the Dollar Tree and I got all of these little things. We have like a little Christmas tree. We have some village people. There's a lady with a deformed face. So I'm going to change the camera angle and I'll show you how easy these are to assemble. So for this one, I'm going to use this teardrop shape. Now this buffalo snow is very, very messy, so keep your vacuum cleaner close by. Now to avoid some mess, I'm just going to cut the corner of this. Now all you do is, okay, these are actually for candles, so they have these little vent holes in the top of them. If you're going to turn it sideways, cover those because your snow will fall out. All I'm going to do is just pour the snow in there. So we got to be careful that we don't overfill it because you will have snow everywhere. So now what you can do is you can just move this snow around and kind of pack it down. Now this is a tall globe. I really want to fill the height in here. So I got this tree and I thought it was perfect for this. It's almost the same size. So now we're going to take this. We're going to take this and go in this way. And then you literally just move it around to where it gets down in the snow, and then you can push some more back over top of it. Now you can hot glue these into place, but I kind of thought that it would be nice if the insides were removable. That way I could change these up if I ever wanted to. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these people. They are, I think they're ice skating. So I'm just going to put them over here. And the reason why I pushed the snow out of the way a little bit is to hide the base. Now I don't have much space over here, so I think these are going to be too wide. I do have these littler people. So what I'm going to do is, if you look at it from the side, we have one here and one here. So I'm going to try to get these ones centered right here just to stagger them a little bit. So now you just kind of push some of that snow back there to secure them. You know, this is very similar to assembling a ship in a bottle, but with less of a headache. Now I have this ribbon. It's blue, which goes with my theme. It's a little bit sheer. Now these kind of have like a little bit of an edge here where you can tie some stuff around. So I'm going to center the ribbon on here. Okay, now we're just going to make a single bow. Now what I'm going to do is cut this tail off of here. We'll do it at an angle. And we'll do the same over here. And there you go. It's all finished. Kind of has a little bit of a vintage nostalgic theme to it, which was what I was going for. It wasn't that a fun and easy project. I really love how these turned out. Now I did have an ornament that was similar to this. It had a reindeer inside of it. I have no idea where it went. So I just thought that this was an easy idea that you could do, make it your own, and you can really personalize these in a lot of different ways other than putting a succulent or a candle or just greenery in here. Really love how this turned out. If you try this, use the hashtag on Instagram, Jay's Holiday Wonderland. I want to see what you came up with. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe down below. I have a lot to show you this year. If you've missed any of my past videos, please go back and look at them. I have a playlist set up for you guys. So I will see you in the next video. Merry Christmas.